A disaster relief donation request letter can help provide immediate assistance to individuals and families whose lives have been disrupted by natural disasters, emergencies, or humanitarian crises. When disasters strike, people may suddenly lose their homes, access to food and clean water, medical care, personal belongings, and even their primary source of income. Without timely financial support, relief organizations may struggle to deliver the urgent assistance that affected communities need. Many organizations make the mistake of sending donation requests that simply describe the disaster without clearly explaining the relief efforts, funding needs, or how donations will be used. So, here is how to write it. Organization information. Start by writing the organization's contact information at the top of the letter. For example, Global Relief Assistance Foundation, 850 Hope Avenue, Dallas, Texas 75201, 214-555-7832, info@globalreliefassistance.org. This section identifies the organization requesting support and provides contact information for anyone seeking additional details. Accurate organizational information helps establish trust and legitimacy. Date. After the organization information, write the date. For example, June 12, 2026. The date establishes when the donation request was issued and helps document fundraising activities. Using the current date shows that the relief effort is active and ongoing. Recipient information. Next, write the donor's information. For example, Daniel Richardson, Richardson Community Foundation, 1450 Civic Center Drive, Dallas, TX 75204. This identifies the person or organization receiving the request. Personalizing the letter can help create a stronger connection with potential donors. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, donation request for disaster relief efforts. The subject immediately informs the recipient about the purpose of the letter. A clear subject helps ensure the urgency of the request is understood from the start. Salutation. Address the recipient professionally. For example, Dear Mr. Richardson, this creates a respectful and professional opening. Using the correct name demonstrates courtesy and attention to detail. Opening paragraph. Now begin the letter by introducing the request. For example, I hope this letter finds you well. We are writing on behalf of Global Relief Assistance Foundation to request your support for our disaster relief efforts in response to the recent flooding that has affected individuals, families, and communities across Central Texas. This paragraph explains the purpose of the letter and identifies the disaster being addressed. Clearly identifying the emergency helps donors immediately understand the reason for the request. Disaster impact paragraph. Next, explain how the disaster has affected the community. For example, the disaster has caused significant damage and hardship, leaving many people without access to essential necessities such as shelter, food, clean water, medical care, and basic household supplies. As recovery efforts continue, immediate assistance is needed to help affected individuals rebuild their lives and regain stability. This paragraph helps donors understand the severity of the situation. Providing context allows supporters to better appreciate the urgency of the need. Relief efforts paragraph. Now explain what your organization is doing to help. For example, our organization is actively providing emergency support and relief services to those impacted by this disaster. We are currently seeking financial assistance to help fund critical needs, including emergency shelter, food distribution, medical supplies, clean water, temporary housing, recovery assistance, and other humanitarian services. This section explains how the organization is responding to the crisis. Donors often want to know how contributions will be used before making a decision to give. Donation impact paragraph. Next, explain how donations will help. For example, your donation will directly support these relief efforts and help ensure that assistance reaches those who need it most. Every contribution, regardless of the amount, will make a meaningful difference in providing hope, comfort, and practical support to disaster victims during this challenging time. This paragraph connects the donor's contribution to real outcomes for affected individuals. Showing the impact of donations can encourage greater participation and support. Donation Methods section. Now explain how donations can be made. For example, if you would like to make a donation, you may do so through the following methods. Donation method, online donation. Account name, Global Relief Assistance Foundation. Account number 123456789. Additional information, www.globalreliefassistance.org/donate. This section provides practical instructions for contributing. Clear donation methods help make the giving process simple and convenient. Appreciation paragraph. Next, express gratitude for the donor's consideration. For example, we greatly appreciate your compassion and willingness to support communities affected by this disaster. With the help of generous donors like you, we can continue providing essential relief services and assist families as they begin the recovery process. This paragraph acknowledges the importance of donor support. People appreciate knowing that their generosity is valued and meaningful. Additional information paragraph. Now offer to provide further details. For example, should you require additional information regarding our disaster relief activities, funding needs, or assistance programs, please feel free to contact us. We would be happy to provide further details. This demonstrates transparency and openness. Making additional information available helps strengthen donor confidence. Thank you paragraph. Next, express your gratitude. For example, thank you for your time, consideration, and generosity. Your support will have a lasting impact on the lives of those affected by this disaster and will help bring much-needed relief to individuals and families in need. This paragraph serves as a sincere expression of appreciation. A strong thank you message helps conclude the request on a positive and respectful note. Sincerely, now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely, Sofia Martinez, Director of Emergency Response, Global Relief Assistance Foundation. This section identifies the person making the request on behalf of the organization. Including a name and title adds professionalism and accountability. Finally, provide direct contact details. For example, phone 214-555-7832. Email sophia.martinez@globalreliefassistance.org. This gives donors a direct way to ask questions or discuss the relief effort. Accessible contact information can encourage further engagement and support. Before sending your disaster relief donation request letter, make sure the disaster, relief activities, funding needs, and donation instructions are clearly explained. Donors are more likely to contribute when they understand the urgency of the situation, trust the organization, and see how their support will help those affected. A strong donation request letter combines compassion, transparency, and a clear explanation of how contributions will provide immediate relief and support long-term recovery efforts. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.